Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka District Leprosy Society bat ka National Leprosy Eradication Program East Khasi Hills District kala pelong ya ka awareness program ha Don Bosco layam khra bat ha khandailat ha ka laipotrik u Ñianglyngkut archarpsan ban rakhi ya ka Jingpang jong ki brio ki bapang Ñianglyngkut u Dr. Apurva Marak u badai u specialist CMD Community Medicine Nodal Officer ka National Leprosy Eradication Program u laong baladalap khamklo ya ka ni Jingpang kalong ka bakong sanbha bat da ka bashim ya kila jingsumar kila banyo ya ka Pynkoit namar ba ka de Jingpang ka balam sya ka jingpendeko ya ki brio ki bayo ya ka ni Jingpang lada umshim khia.
Today we observe Anti-Leprosy Day because it coincides with the death anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, who was deeply committed to the cause of leprosy patients and work to reduce the stigma. Therefore, making it a significant day today to raise awareness of leprosy. As we know, it is caused by bacteria called Mycobacterium leprae and is a disease of public health concern because of its potential to cause disability among a proportion of leprosy patients. A skin lesion, hypopigmented patch might be the only presenting future for this disease, along with loss of sensation, with or without loss of sensation. Peripheral nerve might be enlarged. Also, therefore, the diagnosis becomes very important. Prompt diagnosis and treatment is the cornerstone to prevent disability. Multi-drug treatment or multi-drug therapy, along with other supportive items like self-care kits for ulcer care and multicellular rubber for foot care are given free of cost under this program. I am very glad to say that patients who had leprosy and who have overcome challenges and they are living a healthy life now. Lastly, let us unite and work together to end the stigma and discrimination caused by this disease and to promote and ensure that everyone affected by this disease receive the treatment and support they deserve. So leprosy is a very old disease, but we must not forget leprosy.